Welcome to Consumer Tech. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best smart TVs in 2025. Whether you're looking for the ultimate home theater experience, next-level gaming performance, or the best value for your money, we've got you covered. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below, so check them out for the latest deals and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 5. LG G5 OLED. The LG G5 OLED is a premium powerhouse that redefines home entertainment with its cutting-edge technology and stunning visuals, earning its spot as number 5 on our list. Launched in 2025, this TV features LG's new primary RGB tandem OLED panel, delivering exceptional brightness levels up to 2,300 nits, rivaling mini LED TVs while maintaining OLED's signature perfect blacks and infinite contrast. Its micro lens array, MLA technology, enhances light output, making it ideal for both bright living rooms and dark home theaters. The G5's filmmaker ambient light mode adjusts brightness based on room lighting, ensuring optimal viewing for movies and sports. Gamers will love the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K at a 165 Hz, NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and Dolby Vision gaming, offering smooth, tear-free gameplay. The A11 AI processor enhances image processing, delivering crisp details and vibrant colors covering 82.42% of the Rec 2020 gamut. Its sleek wall-mountable design with a no-gap mount adds an art gallery aesthetic, though the optional stand is extra. The LG G5 supports Dolby Atmos for immersive audio and integrates seamlessly with smart platforms like WebOS, offering preloaded apps such as Netflix and Disney+. While priced at around $399 for the 65-inch model, its premium features justify the cost for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. However, it lacks Dolby Vision 2 HDR support, and its high price may deter budget-conscious buyers. The LG G5 excels in versatility, making it a fantastic choice for cinephiles, gamers, and anyone craving a vibrant, high-contrast picture in any lighting condition. Number 4. TCL QM8K Mini LED. Ranking 4th, the TCL QM8K Mini LED is a value-driven marvel that delivers near OLED performance at a fraction of the cost, making it a standout in 2025's TV market. Priced at around $1,300 for the 65-inch model, this QD Mini LED TV boasts thousands of local dimming zones for precise backlight control, minimizing blooming and achieving deep blacks with vibrant colors. Its peak brightness of up to 5,000 nits ensures HDR content like nature documentaries pops with stunning clarity, covering 97% of the DCI P3 color space. The QM8K's Halo control system reduces light bleed, enhancing contrast for cinematic viewing. Gamers benefit from a 124 Hz refresh rate HDMI 2.1 and variable refresh rate VRR support, though input lag is slightly higher than premium OLEDs. The Google TV platform offers a user-friendly interface with apps like YouTube and HBO Max, plus voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. Its Bang & Olufsen-tuned Dolby Atmos speakers deliver immersive, room-filling sound with 75 decibels at 12 feet, eliminating the need for a soundbar in many setups. While not as contrast-rich as OLEDs, its brightness makes it ideal for well-lit rooms. The QM8K's affordability and robust feature set make it a top pick for budget-conscious buyers seeking flagship-level quality, though its processing may feel slower for fast-paced gaming compared to pricier models. This TV strikes an impressive balance of price, performance, and features, perfect for families and casual viewers. Number 3. Sony Bravia 8-2. The Sony Bravia 8-2 takes the third spot as a stellar OLED TV that balances cinematic excellence with gaming prowess, crowned King of TVs in Value Electronics 2025 Shootout. This QD OLED model delivers vibrant colors, inky blacks, and improved brightness over its predecessor, reaching up to 2,000 nits, making it suitable for both dark and moderately lit rooms. Its glossy panel enhances color fidelity and contrast, covering a wide color gamut, for lifelike visuals. Sony's XR processor optimizes upscaling, ensuring even low-resolution content looks sharp, ideal for streaming YouTube or classic films. Gamers will appreciate PS5 exclusive features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode, alongside 4K 120Hz support and low input lag via two HDMI 2.1 ports. The Bravia 8.2's refined color balance offers cinematic warmth, perfect for movie buffs seeking authenticity. Its Google TV platform integrates seamlessly with streaming services, and the Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology turns the screen into a speaker for precise, immersive sound. Priced around $2,500 for the 65-inch version, it's more affordable than some flagship OLEDs, but lacks the brightness of mini LEDs for very bright rooms. The Bravia 8.2 shines in darkroom viewing and offers a premium experience for those prioritizing picture accuracy and gaming features, though its matte finish may not appeal to all. This TV is a top choice for discerning viewers and PlayStation enthusiasts. Number 2. Samsung S95F QD OLED. Securing the second spot, the Samsung S95F QD OLED is a visual masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of OLED technology, excelling in bright rooms and gaming setups. Launched in 2025, this TV combines quantum dots with self-emissive pixels, achieving a peak brightness of nearly 2,300 nits and a vibrant color volume that rivals top mini LEDs. Its second-generation anti-glare matte finish virtually eliminates reflections, making it perfect for sunlit spaces. The S95F covers a broad color gamut, delivering rich, saturated hues for HDR content like blockbuster movies. Gamers will love its four HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K 165Hz, VRR, and low input lag under 10 mm, ideal for PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC gaming. The Tizen platform, while requiring a Samsung account for app downloads, offers a robust gaming hub for cloud gaming without extra hardware. Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus create an immersive audio experience, though it lacks Dolby Vision support, relying on HDR10 Plus instead. Priced around $2,700 for the 65-inch model, it's a premium investment but offers unmatched brightness for an OLED. The S95F's motion settings may need tweaking out of the box to avoid overly smooth visuals. Its sleek design and versatile performance make it a top contender for those seeking a bright, colorful OLED for mixed-use environments, though its smart platform could be more intuitive. Number 1. LG C5 OLED. Topping our list as the best smart TV of 2025, the LG C5 OLED delivers an unbeatable combination of performance, features, and value, earning a perfect 5-star rating from reviewers. Priced at around $2,197 for the 65-inch model, it offers a WOLED panel with perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and vibrant colors, covering a wide gamut for stunning HDR visuals. While not as bright as the LG G5, peaking at around 1,800 nits, it excels in dark rooms and handles most lighting conditions well, thanks to its anti-reflective coating. The A9 Gen 8 AI processor enhances upscaling and motion, making sports, movies, and gaming look crisp and fluid. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K 144Hz, VRR, and Dolby Vision gaming, it's a gamer's dream, rivaling high-end monitors. The WebOS platform is intuitive, with preloaded apps like Netflix and voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. Dolby Atmos support and a 40W speaker system deliver immersive sound, though a soundbar could enhance bass. Compared to the pricier G5, the C5 offers nearly identical features for $1,000 less, making it a better value than the 2024 C4, which it surpasses in brightness and processing. Its stand-mounted design suits most setups, though it's less wall-friendly than the G5. The LG C5 is the ultimate all-rounder for movie lovers, gamers, and streamers seeking premium quality without breaking the bank.